For the guy that has everything or wants everything, we got watch winders. These are kind of cool. They automatically wind your watch for you. And what's I think is really cool about this, you got one power supply, a low voltage power transformer in the back that hooks to this base. And then you just simply stack these cubes on here. See, just by lifting them off. And stacking another one on, it makes contact. There you go. And watch when I lift it off of there, see, power goes away. So and then they periodically stop and start again. Now this is in a custom walk-in closet, and we got a frame that's going around this here to give it a finished look. Alright, we got the wood trim in there. Sorry if the video's a little dark. There you are. Looking good.